Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be featuring Isee hair. I have their M Cap 9x6 HD Yaki straight wear and go wig. The wig comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Right out of the packaging, it's ready to wear. It does have combs and it also has a adjustable strap for you. Here's a shot of the texture. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put a stocking cap on, put all my hair under it, pull it back, and then I'm going to put my wig on. And this is the Yaki straight texture. My wig is 24 inches long. You guys, the perfect length, the perfect fit. The cap construction of this wig also has ear cutouts, so it sits comfortably on your head. It's not irritating your ears. It's a nice, comfortable fit. So here I'm just adjusting it to how I want it to sit on my head. And then we're just going to brush it out. So right out of the packaging, I didn't find that the wig needed anything to do, honestly, besides go over the roots with my hot comb, because there were some spots that were a little lumpy, but that's all I'm doing to the top. And I make sure that I go really slow because I don't want no burns, okay? So I'm just backing up here so you guys can see how long the hair is on me. This is a really long 24 inches. I'm not mad at it at all. As you can see, the hair has so much body, so much movement, and my wig fits nice and snug. I don't feel like my wig is going anywhere. To make the lace blend in with my skin, I'm just dabbing on some hairspray, and as you see, like, the line of demarcation kind of just blends right on in. I love that. For me, it looks really natural. The knots are super tiny, and of course it's HD lace, so it's going to give you the natural look. And it is a 9x6, so you have a lot of space. So here's a little up close look. And then to tame the flyaways, I'm just also going in with that same hairspray just to tame the top. Now for me, the hair straight is perfect. It's perfect like this, but I'm going for that blowout kind of look. So on this unit, I'm just going to use my air wrap curler to see what kind of curl it would give, because I'm not looking for anything super defined. I just want a nice, effortless, like, blowout look. So that's all I'm doing. Alright, this is what this side looks like. I'm just going to go in with that same hairspray to give the curls a little more hold since they are on the looser side. And I love it. I think the hair looks super duper cute. I do need to go back in and probably add some layers to the hair just to give it a little more shape around my face. But I love it. The hair is dense, so I'm not sure how long the curls will hold with just using a air wrap curler, because it doesn't get as hot as an actual curling iron. But this is the final look of the hair. I love it. I love the length. I love the density. So I'll be sure to list all of Isee's hair info in the description box for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.